Hey guys! Oh, thank you, Hudson. We have a special, look at the size of this box, a huge unboxing video today. Let's get started. This is from our channel supporter. I started it. Wait, we have to be careful here. We have to be careful. This is from our channel supporter, Emmy, who's from the Netherlands. So this came all the way from the Netherlands.
Far away.
Isn't this awesome?
For Hudson.
Amsterdam, to be exact.
Oh.
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 Oh my God, Hudson! What is this? Wait, there's a little note.
Let's see the note.
With love. Look at the kitty.
Kitty sleeping.
Enjoy the gifts. Kisses for Hudson. Love, Emmy.
Oh, Emmy, fantastic job.
And look at this. This is a Ministeck pixel puzzle. Animal Friends 4 in 1. Wait, Hudson, look. Come here.
Hudson.
There's a kitty.
Hey, Hudson.
Look, Hudson. There's a kitty.
He's playing with the card.
There's a kitty, and there's a doggo, and a horse, and a donkey,
Oh.
and a windmill. Oh my God, I've never done. I think this
That's awesome.
might be from the Netherlands.
Beautiful.
I've never done one of these, but Emmy has created beautiful ones of these. She showed us a bunch of pictures of ones she's created of different animals, and they're so beautiful. I can't wait to do it. That'll be another video.
Fantastic job.
Okay, but I've spotted.
Maybe we could make a Hudson out of it.
Yeah, of course. We're gonna try.
Oh.
I've spotted more treats. Yes.
Oh, Hudson. Oh, what is that?
Isn't. Wow.
Oh.
Look at this. Wait a minute, guys. Roombator Stroop Wafels. Oh, I've never had this. What? This must be a special. Do you see what's going on
I
here?
see what's going on.
A special.
Hudson likes them.
There's 12. Oh my God, he's trying. Should we? I guess we have to try it now, right?
Sure.
And there's more, guys. There's more in this box. But first, who's first?
Oh, looks good. Hudson likes it.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Oh, I smell like the maple
Oh, that smells good.
and the brown sugar. Look at this.
Oh.
Mmm.
Oh, Hudson's curious. He's gonna go in the bag. He's getting up. Little piece.
Before I even wait. Bleach ball. Okay.
Oh.
It's so delicious, guys. I've never had this before. It's a Stroop waffle.
Nice.
James, you have to try a piece. I'll give Hudson another
Sure.
piece, but you have to try a piece.
Stroop waffle going in.
Yeah, and there's like a maple syrupy.
Oh, give me a little piece.
You want me to break off a piece like I do for Hudson?
Yeah. Oh.
And do you see? It's like oh my God.
Oh.
Mmm.
Oh man. That's nice.
Mhm.
Oh,
Extra.
awesome. Fantastic job.
Extra good. Wait.
Emmy, nice job.
I mean, I don't think these are specifically for dogs, but Hudson doesn't care.
Oh, that's nice. That's a Stroop waffle. Let me show it.
Show it
Oh,
quickly.
Stroop waffles.
Stroop.
Yeah.
You know,
Oh,
like
Hudson
stoop.
likes this. Yeah, but Stroop.
Stoop, but Stroop.
Hudson likes it. You're gonna have to put those far away. Hudson's going in the bag.
Oh no. Oh no. No, wait, there's more.
Honey.
Oh no. Oh my God.
Oh, he's quick. Oh. That's a nice backpack.
Wait, I don't know what to do with this. I'm gonna put the open one behind here. Here's the closed one.
Yeah.
Emmy, you've seen my ratty backpack.
Oh yeah.
You must have watched our rain video where we walked during the Hurricane Henri.
Yep.
My backpack got soaking wet and everything inside got wet because it
What's
wasn't
he
waterproof.
doing? He can't. Now he's laying there.
So this is a beautiful backpack, and I things are inside of it too. Let's check all the pockets. I love it. I'm gonna put it on my back.
Yeah, that's a nice backpack.
Okay, there's nothing in this pocket.
That's
but
a
I feel
beautiful,
there's things
fantastic
inside.
job.
Let me just show you before I take anything out.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's perfect size.
Perfect size. Yeah, that's perfect.
Extra good.
Yeah, that's fantastic job.
Okay, so let's see what's inside.
Yeah, it's nice.
Because who knows what there could be inside? We already got Stroop Waffle.
It's gray like Hudson.
And I like how they look. Do you see it's recessed in there, so it stays nice. The catches. Oh my God, guys! There's more things in here. Oh my God! Biscuits for larger dogs. Would that be you? Are you a larger dog?
He's a larger dog.
Okay, we gotta try this.
Yeah.
Although he really liked the Stroop Waffle.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Here we go.
Oh, that looks fantastic.
What?
Keep it away from June.
Oh. That's for you. Hey,
Oh, he
you can
likes
have
it.
Now. You can have it now.
Oh,
Oh, he wants to. Oh,
Yeah.
look at this. He's making a mess.
he's making a mess. Hudson
it.
never makes a mess.
There he goes.
Yeah.
Oh,
he loves it.
it. Extra good. There's more. I don't want to get him crumbs on my new backpack. There's more.
More.
What's this?
Oh. A little pack.
A little fanny pack.
Oh.
Oh, extra
For Hudson
good.
treats.
For Hudson treats. Of course. Yeah, lay down. Look. And then I can put a wallet. Look inside. Look at all
Oh,
the zipper
very cool.
compartments.
Yep.
I can put Hudson's service animal
Oh,
ID
that's fantastic.
in there. See?
Look at all that in there.
I can put his and change.
Beautiful.
Extra good.
Extra good.
Awesome. Let me hook that on. Wait, there's two more things.
Oh.
Color book. Dutch royal family.
Oh.
I think it's a coloring
Yeah,
book.
that's awesome.
That must be like how you
Yeah,
say
yeah.
in the Netherlands, color. Like a coloring book.
Yeah, let me show that.
Let's do a couple of pages.
Yep. Oh, cool. Oh, that is great.
Oh.
Oh,
I
have to do it
can't
and
wait
show
to
it.
do. I have a beautiful, beautiful colored marker set, and I'm going to use that. We'll do that the same time that we do mini sticks.
Hudson.
Hudson,
Honey.
wait, there's something else in here for you. Come here, Hudson. Hudson, come here. Hudson, treat.
Oh,
Hudson, here.
Hudson, look, treat. Hudson.
Hudson.
Oh. Oh, man. This is fantastic.
What's in here?
Here's a tail. Oh.
It's a goose.
It's a goose.
And it squeaks. Oh, he loves it. Wait. We gotta go down the hall. Let me take the tag off.
Coast is squeaky. Why is he on the table?
I don't know why he's on the table.
Oh, he loves the goose.
It. Wait, let me put my backpack on. You're stepping on my backpack. Get away from my new backpack.
He's in the backpack.
Let me put the treats in the backpack.
He's out of control.
He is. Okay, let me put my backpack
He loves his goose. Look at his goose.
And then I can put my fanny pack on
Duck,
too.
duck, goose.
Hold on. All right.
Oh, he's going after the
Oh no,
Stroop
he's
Wafels.
in the Stroop Waffle. Oh no, he's in the Stroop Waffle. Okay, let me put this on later. Hudson's going to go crazy.
Yeah.
Let's go down the hall.
Yeah, let's go.
Ready?
Let's see what happens.
Let's make sure
The coast is clear.
Okay, here. Get the scissors. All right, come on. Okay, clear, guys. It's clear.
There he goes.
Oh my God, Emmy. This
Emmy.
is amazing. Look at the backpack.
Fantastic
too.
treats.
And my fanny pack.
Yeah.
Oh, watch out, Hudson.
Here he comes.
He's got his new duck toy.
Yeah.
Wait.
That's his friend.
That's his friend who's coming out down the hall. That's what you heard barking. Okay.
Throw it again.
Again.
He needs it again. He loves his
He
goose.
loves the goose. He loves
Abby
it.
loves the goose. Oh, that was better than mine.
Oh, look at him looking.
Yeah, I got
He's
his.
leaping. He's leaping.
There.
One more time.
Oh, he loves it.
Look, it's
Fantastic
flying.
job, Emmy.
And I love my backpack.
Yeah, I
and my
love it.
fanny pack. Everything's extra
Everything's
good.
beautiful.
Stroop waffle.
Stroop waffle.
And the mini stick. That was so
Everything.
much.
Yeah, we're
and
gonna.
the coloring book.
Yeah, we're gonna tuck into those.
I mean, these are such amazing, amazing gifts.
So thoughtful.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Extra, extra good. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.